Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok maximum number of attempts reached error. It's actually very easy. And the reason this happens is because you have tried to log in with your account and you have done an incorrect password multiple times, okay, in a short duration. So what you can do is actually either use another device or you come here and switch your internet. So if you were using Wi-Fi, switch to your mobile data, go ahead and use that, but just make sure you actually hold TikTok here, delete the app, uninstall it, okay, and then go to your Play Store and install it again. What you can also do is click here on app info and then come scroll down and just click on storage and cache, clear the storage, and then go ahead and try to log in again. It still doesn't work. You just have to wait a few hours and it will work again. That's what happened with me. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix